Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Caught by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Thumbs up. Hands on your head, stay where you are. You're under arrest, alright?
Today's episode is all about police arrests. First video shows police arrest a 22-year-old man over the alleged murder of a man in Nowra.
Police search warrant!
Police for the search warrant!
Police search warrant! Place your thumbs up.
Police arrested 6 men they claimed were members of the Bandidos Outlaw Motorcycle Gang.
I think given that they're stolen.
This video shows a moment when Florida police arrest legally blind man after mistaking walking cane for gun. What's your opinion about this?
It's a navigational age. What's the problem? You a tyrant?
Yeah, I am actually. What's your name and date of birth?
I don't have to give that unless
Yes, sir. I was investigating.
You have reasonable.
Do you want me to put you in handcuffs right now? Yes, sir, I do.
What is your suspicion?
It looks like you're carrying a gun in your back pocket. I'm stopping to make sure you're carrying it properly.
Okay. All right, you deserve it.
77 Whiskey Mike detained. I don't know where his wallet is.
Where's your wallet at, sir? I don't have my wallet on me.
Okay, where's your ID?
Where's your ID at? Pocket. Which pocket? You are not allowed to search me.
That's stopping us. That king type shoes up first.
Russian police have detained more than 1,700 people at anti-war protests across dozens of cities as thousands took to the streets after President Vladimir Putin sent troops to invade Ukraine.
Алек, агрессор, нам стыдно за эту страну. Я когда-то ее любила. Больно просто! Ой, больно! Больно просто!
Police arrest Danyal Hussein for the murders of two people in Greenwich. He was jailed for 35 years for killing them in cold blood.
You're under arrest. Come out. Come out the address. Keep walking towards me. Keep walking towards me. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Hands on your head. Stay where you are. Face me. Hands on your head. Stay where you are. You're under arrest, all right?
Yeah, how do you want to do it? Give it to face the car. Yeah?
Yeah.
From Uniform Zero, just confirm subject secure.
Occupant number 6, could you just stay where you are for now? If please don't bring
I think I'll bring
taser.
clear in a second.
Is there a mum in there?
Yeah, there is.
Okay, madam, if you come to the door for us, please. Okay.
the ground, mate. You're under arrest. Yeah, on the ground, mate.
You're under arrest for unlawful use of a motor vehicle.
And with this clip we reach the end of another episode on Caught by Police channel. Make sure to write us your opinion about it down in the comment section below. While being there, please do like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, stay safe.